Hello everyone, it's time for your urgent dose of internet. This university used a tortoise instead of scissors to cut the string to officially open a new science lab.
So please muster a round of applause, not for myself. Any fool can cut a ribbon. Maybe any fool can try and ask a tortoise to bite through a dandelion. Let's find out. Wait a moment. What an auspicious start to this building, which is declared open by a tortoise. That's absolutely marvellous. Thank you very much.
This plane was invented with the ability to detach and parachute safely to the ground in case of an emergency. That will be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed.